CATL, the company that supplies batteries to many of the world's biggest automakers, has now introduced a new battery that is creating massive buzz across the EV industry. But this story is much bigger than just another battery launch. What we're really looking at could be a major shift in the future of affordable electric vehicles. Just imagine a future where electric cars become cheaper to operate than petrol vehicles, charging anxiety starts disappearing, and battery costs drop so much that even ordinary buyers can easily afford an EV without hesitation. If that happens, the entire automotive market could change dramatically. The sodium battery that CATL has unveiled could become a lower-cost alternative to traditional lithium batteries. And if this technology performs the way CATL claims, it may quietly create serious pressure for companies like Tesla, BYD, and other major EV manufacturers. But is this battery truly as revolutionary as people are saying? Are there hidden compromises behind the technology? And could sodium batteries eventually become the foundation of every budget EV in the future? Make sure to stay until the end because we're going to break down the technology CATL is using, how it could compete with companies like BYD and Tesla, and what kind of impact this battery could have on the entire EV industry. Before moving further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss videos like this. If you look at the electric vehicle industry today, one company's name appears again and again: CATL. CATL is not just another battery company. It has become the world's largest EV battery supplier. In fact, many major automakers don't even build their own batteries anymore. Instead, they rely directly on CATL for battery technology and supply. The company began in China and originally focused only on battery research and development. But over time, it built such a massive production and supply network that it eventually became one of the most important companies in the global EV market. Today, whenever you see an electric vehicle on the road, there's a very high chance the battery inside it was either manufactured by CATL or developed using its technology. Now let's talk about the companies that depend on CATL batteries. The list includes huge global brands like Tesla, BMW, Volkswagen, and even China's EV giant BYD exists within the same broader ecosystem. These are the companies shaping the global EV revolution. And when so many major automakers depend on CATL, it gives you an idea of how influential the company has become. Here's something important to understand. The battery is the most expensive component inside an electric vehicle. In many cases, around 30% to 40% of the total vehicle cost comes from the battery alone. So if one company controls a huge portion of battery production, it indirectly gains enormous influence over the entire EV industry. That's why CATL is no longer just a supplier. It has become a true industry game changer. When it comes to market share, CATL has remained the world's #1 EV battery company for several years. Out of all EV batteries used globally, CATL holds the largest share by far. That dominance clearly shows how far ahead CATL is compared to many competitors. And its influence continues growing stronger. But CATL's advantage isn't only about scale, it's also about technology leadership. The company played a major role in popularizing LFP batteries, lithium iron phosphate technology, which is considered both cheaper and safer than many traditional lithium-ion batteries. Today, this technology is widely used in affordable electric vehicles around the world. And now, CATL is pushing even further with sodium battery technology, which could potentially lower costs even more. Think about the impact of that for a moment. If one company succeeds in making batteries dramatically cheaper while also supplying much of the global market, the consequences for the EV industry could be enormous. That's exactly what CATL is attempting to do. The company isn't simply selling batteries anymore. It's actively shaping the future direction of the electric vehicle market. Another important detail is that CATL doesn't stop at manufacturing batteries. The company also works closely with automakers, helps build production facilities, and collaborates on future technologies. In other words, CATL operates less like a traditional supplier and more like a long-term strategic partner. That's why, today, if there's one company with massive influence over the EV industry, it's CATL. And if sodium battery technology becomes successful in the coming years, CATL's dominance could become even stronger. Now let's answer the big question. What exactly is a sodium battery? The battery is essentially the heart of every electric vehicle. Up until now, most EVs have relied on lithium-ion batteries. But CATL's sodium battery introduces a completely different possibility. In simple terms, sodium batteries work similarly to lithium batteries. The main difference is the material being used. Lithium batteries use lithium ions, while sodium batteries use sodium ion. At first glance, that may not sound revolutionary. But this is where the real story begins. Lithium is relatively rare, expensive to mine, and limited in supply. Because of that, lithium batteries are costly, which also raises EV prices. Sodium, on the other hand, is available in massive quantities around the world. In fact, huge amounts of sodium exist naturally in seawater. That means supply shortages are far less of a concern, and theoretically, sodium batteries could become much cheaper to produce. Now let's briefly understand how these batteries actually work. Inside every battery, tiny charged particles called ions move between two sides during charging and discharging. In lithium batteries, lithium ions move back and forth. In sodium batteries, sodium ions perform the same function. That movement generates the energy that powers the vehicle. But now the obvious question comes up. If sodium is cheaper and easier to find, why wasn't it adopted earlier? The answer is simple: technology limitations. Earlier, sodium batteries were far less efficient. Their energy density, meaning the amount of energy they could store, was lower than lithium batteries. In practical terms, that meant a sodium battery of the same size would provide less driving range. Because of this weakness, automakers continued relying heavily on lithium technology. But now the technology has improved significantly. Companies like CATL have reportedly developed sodium batteries to a level where they are becoming practical for real-world use, especially in budget-friendly electric vehicles. Another major advantage is safety. Lithium batteries carry a risk of overheating or even catching fire under extreme conditions. Sodium batteries are generally considered more thermally stable. That means they heat up less aggressively and may reduce fire risks. Cold weather performance is another area where sodium batteries may offer benefits. Lithium batteries tend to lose efficiency in freezing temperatures, which reduces driving range. Sodium batteries are believed to perform more consistently in colder climates. That could become a huge advantage in countries with harsh winters. Of course, every technology comes with trade-offs. Right now, sodium batteries still cannot fully match lithium batteries in overall energy density and long-range performance. That means high-end EVs and long-range electric cars will likely continue depending on lithium batteries for the foreseeable future. However, when it comes to affordable EVs, city driving, short-distance commuting, and daily use vehicles, sodium batteries could become extremely important because cost and reliability matter more than maximum range in those situations. Sodium batteries are not magic, but they could become a very practical solution for buyers looking for cheaper electric cars. And if the technology continues improving, it may eventually become a serious competitor to lithium itself. Which brings us to the real battle: lithium versus sodium.